Hello, this is a review for chapter 4, and we're doing a chapter test. If you look at the first problem, you have some tick marks, which means this is an isosceles triangle. The angles that are opposite these tick marks are the angles that are congruent. You have two base angles that are equal to one another. So if this is 65, that means y then is going to equal 65 because that's how much it's equal to. Now, I noticed when we did a couple of these problems in class, students are scared to write down 65 up underneath the y. This shows you that both of these are equal to 65. Most students came along and said 180 minus only 165. They forgot about the other 65. So you have to take 65 and 65, which will give you 130. So 180 minus the 130, which will give you 50. So x then is equal to 50, not 180 minus only 165. You have two 65s here because of the tick marks here. The base angles of the isosceles triangles are equal. Problem number 2, you have some vertical angles here. So vertical angles, B is going to equal 62 then because of the vertical angles. Once again, put 62 in here. And angle A, these two angles form a straight line. And straight line is 180 degrees. So if I have 180 and I subtract the 62 from it, I get 118. So A is 118 degrees. And then I have an isosceles triangle here, so that means my base angles are going to be equal to one another. So if I take 180 and I subtract the 62 from it, I get 118, and then divide that by 2 because both base angles have to be the same. So that'll give me 59. So angle C then is equal to 59 degrees. Problem number 3, we have to tell which one of the 5. Again, the 5, in case you forgot, are side, 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 angle, side, where the angle has to be between the two sides. Angle, side, angle, where the angle is in between the two angles. And angle, angle, side. And the last one is HL, and you can only have HL if you have a right triangle. So if you have a right triangle, then you can look for HL. All right, so this first one, I have a right triangle, so I'm going to look for HL. So this is my hypotenuse, which is straight across from my right angle. And this is two triangles next to each other, so I'm thinking of reflexive. So I have a hypotenuse and a leg, so HL. This one, I have two lines that cross one another, so I'm thinking of vertical angles. And I can't have an angle, 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 so this is none. This one, I have a side angle, side, a side angle, side. The angle's in between the two sides, so side angle, side. 6, I have two lines that cross one another, so I'm thinking of vertical angles. So I have an angle, angle, and a side. The side is not in between the two angles, so angle, angle, side, not angle, side, angle. Yeah. Next one, I have two lines that cross each other. So again, I'm thinking of vertical angles. So I have angle, side, and angle. The side is in between the two angles. So angle, side, angle. Next one, I have two triangles that butt up next to each other. So they share this common side, which is called reflexive. So I have a side, side, side. Next one, I have two triangles that butt up next to each other, but That's all I have. So this is none. And then the two down there are equal to each other. So that's none. I have this where they're equal to each other because two triangles butt up next to each other. So a reflexive line. So side, side, side. And this one, I have a side and an angle, but that's it. So this is none. This one, name all of the pairs of congruent parts. So for my angles and sides, once again, the first angle, angle J, is congruent to the first angle here, which is angle P. Second angle, angle K, is congruent to angle Q. And the third angle, angle L, is congruent to the third angle here, which is angle R. The sides, first and second, so JK is going to be congruent to PQ. KL is going to be congruent to QR. And JL is going to be congruent to PR.